Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
So we're talking a little bit about the doors, the windows, the sky. Let's talk about skylights and just what. It's not just an aluminum frame double dome cloud over clear anymore.
It's really not, and a lot of people are very fearful. You see the abundance of how many skylights are in this Phoenix market. I mean, there's tons and tons. And generally what builders will put in are those acrylic domes. And so it's a double dome, 2 pieces of acrylic, an outer and an inner dome, typically white, bronze, or clear on the outer dome, and predominantly always clear on the inner dome. And so what they're fitted into an aluminum frame. And, you know, there's different types of application methods as far as self-flashing and curb mount. Nowadays, we only do curb mount.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's just... It's a better type of application. If anything were to go wrong, it's an easier fix as well.
Okay.
But the upgrade, and a lot of folks tend to think that it's going to be a very expensive switch, but going from acrylic to glass is really not as much as you'd think. But in terms of improving the energy efficiency, the heat transfer, solar gain, heat coefficient into the home, it's a far better product. And the warranty is a lot better as well.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.